proper form. Mahirap? Okay lang. In time, lalakas din yung legs ko. Kasi yun yung purpose natin. Palakasin yung mga weak na tuhod nyo at hamstring and quads nyo. Okay? Kaya huwag nyo i-modify sa pinakamadaling paraan nyo. Pag sinabi kong straight leg pababa, then 3 counts down, then speed up. Ganun yung gawin nyo. Huwag yung 1, 2 up, pinakamababaw at nakatupi pa yung paa. Wala tayong makakuha dyan. Wala tayong gains. Kuha?
Yes, po.
Tandaan nyo, walang magaling na dumaan sa mabilis lang na trabaho. Wala ding magandang quality kung hindi nyo yun paghihirapan. Okay?
Yes, po.
Injury lang yung makukuha nyo kung dadayain nyo yung sarili nyo. Ready, balik. This time, tumbling. Diyan kayo sa baba. Tingin. Tumbling stance. Nakaganto lang kayo. Level to, then hold lang. Alright? Hold lang. Kung kaya nyo nang nakatayo lang, mas better. Nakaangat lang to. Then pantay to. Ayan. Ganito, tingin. Ayan. O, ganyan lang. Then angat talaga to, ha? Angat to. Walang nakaganto. Gusto ko, angatan nyo. Pahirapan nyo yung sarili nyo. Yung nakaangat talaga to. Kuha nyo. Tingnan nyo, ayun o. Ayun o, nakaangat to. Dati naman, di ko to kaya gawin eh. Pero tsinagaan ko. Nagawa ko. Kuha nyo. Kasi in time, maglalagay tayo ng weights dito sa likod nyo. May nakahawak dito. Alright? Pero this time, dyan muna. Hanggat sa makagawa nyo ng proper. Ready? Right leg up. Ready? Go, start. Josh, walang hahawak sa wall. Go, balance. Trish, taas mo pa yung tuhod mo, then angat yung body. Pasok puwet. Wag mo ibaba. Adjust lang, yan. Balance. Same thing with you, Rod. Taas mo yung paa mo. Yan, good. Very good, Rod. Nice one. Balance, Trish. Sige lang, anti pa. Josh, go, go, go. Tabingin na yung tuhod mo. Pantay lahat ng paa. Yang, same with you. Angat. Yan. Higher yung tuhod. Taas. Yan. 5 seconds. Hold, balance. And down. Okay, relax. Rotation. Na, tool, set, net, das, use, ilgop, idol, ahop, yol, reverse, net, tool, set, net, das, use, ilgop, idol, ahop, yol. Okay, other side, ready, up, position, other leg, then up, go, pasok yung puwet, Bianx. Pasok puwet. Yeah, good. Josh, balance, walang hawak sa wall.
Tapo, ma'am.
Go, angat, pasok mo yung puwet mo. Josh, pasok puwet. Nakatabingi ka na naman, uy. Nakatalikod ka na naman. Harap yung katawan. Walang nakaganto ka. Oh. Harap ka lang. Harap lang. Harap. Walang nakaganto. Go. Rod, taas yung legs. Pasok puwet. Trish, pantay yung tuhod and get your balance. Bianx, para ka ng karate kid dyan, Bianx. Stand mo yung paa mo. Walang nakaganto. Labas. Yan. Go. 15 seconds. Go. Get your balance. Balance. Go. Down. Keep rotation. Set. Net. Reverse. Das. Use. Ilgop. Idol. Ahop yun. Alright, second set. Angat sa chair. Ready? Angat sa upuan, Bianx. Second set. Ready, up. Yeah. Ready? 1. Good, Trish. Good. Bianx, kakasabi ko lang. 3. 4. 5. Mag-touch sa floor. Baba pa, Bianx. 3 counts. 5. 6. 7. Better. 8.
1, 2, 3.
Sige lang, Bianx. Gawin mo lang sa proper form. Nahihirapan ka, okay lang yan. Kasi tignan mo, pag ginagawa mo siya ng proper way, hindi mo nagagawa. Kasi sinasanay mo ng easiest way. Okay lang, gawin mo lang ng proper form. Kahit mahirap, okay lang yan. At the end of the day, ikaw yung magbe-benefit yan. Ready, again.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
8. 9. Last, go, 10. Very good, guys. Good job. Okay, other leg. Good job, good job. Ready? 1. Oops. Josh, lumalabas na yung puwet. Bend your legs. 2. Walang aapak again sa floor. Ilang ulit? 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. Go. Do it in proper form. Best as you can. Yan. Down. Okay. Ano? Sakit? This time, one more set. Tumbling defense. Angat. Ready. One leg balance. Ready. Position. Go up. Bianx, lean back ng onte. Bianx, lean back ng onte. Yan. Go up. Good. Very good. Taas niyo yan, Rod and Trish. Very good. Yan. Good job. Sige, Trish. Taas mo pa yung legs mo. Pilitin mo yan. Yan. Dapat ganyan manggagaling yung mga sipa nyo, ha? Ganyan yung form ng lahat ng sipa nyo. Balance, Trish. Kain ito dyan. Go. Down. Very good, Rod. Good balance. Hip rotation. Good. Set. Reverse. Good. Set. Okay, other side. Ready. Balance yung legs. Go. Start. Yan. Lean back ng onte, Rod. Lean back ka ng onte, Rod. Yan. Good. Then, angat. Better. Very good. Lean back ng onte, Bianx. Lean back ng onte, Bianx. Yan. Di ba? Ganyan tayo sumipa eh. Taas mo yung toes mo. Pantay yung ankle mo sa tuhod. Yan. Di ba? Pag maayos, mahihirapan ka. Gawin mo na lang maayos yung form kahit na mahirapan ka. Kapag dinadayan nyo, walang benefit yan. It's useless. Go, 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 go. 10 seconds. Down. Alright. Interpretation na dul, set, net, nas, use, ilgop, idol. Ahop, yol, reverse, net, dul, set, net, nas, use, ilgop, idol. Ahop, yol. Alright. Push up position. Tabi yung chair. Nyo lang dyan sa hindi nyo tatamaan. Push up position. 10 times. Bianx and Trish, pang babaeng push up. Kneel. Makaluhod. Kaya gawin nyo na yan ng proper form. Josh and Rod, regular push up. 10. Ready? Trish, we can see you, Trish. Yan. Good. Ready? 10. Go. Start. Count on your own. Louder.
2, 3,
Good, Josh. Louder. Follow.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Louder. Count. Okay. Second set. Ready? Finish it. Finish it. Ready? Start. Rodder, I want to hear your voice. Louder.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Lower, lower.
9, 10. Ah!
Go, Rod.
7, 9, 10.
Okay. Stand up. Ready? Interpretation. Shake your legs. Shake your body. This time, knee raise. Ready? Left and right. Relax. Relax lang ha. Tapon nyo lang yung tuhod nyo. Relax upper body. Work on your hips. Hips yung paganahin. Ready? Go. Start. Shout. Shout. Oh, tuloy. Sige, continuous. Relax yung upper body, Rod. Yan. Go. Speed again. Speed. Then shout. Okay, magingay. Go. Go. Go, Bianx. Push, Bianx. And good. Sige, as speed as you can. Do it with speed and proper form. Relax upper body. Rod, masyadong matigas yung upper body. Tignan mo upper body nila. Ano, sumasabay lang. Time. Alright, rest. Shake. Ganyan lang. Ready. Double. Mabilis. Go, start. Go. Higher, bilis. Then relax yung upper body. Lagi nyo tatandaan, relax upper body. Go. Tuloy. Gitna yung daan, Bianx. Yeah, good job. Shout. And good. Knee to chest. Go. Tuloy. Wala akong sinasabing time. Alright, rest. Relax. Shake your body. Just time. Shake. Sip water if you want. Diyan lang yung tubig niya. Wala nang lalayo. Ready? Center, side. Center, side. Center, side. Pakita niyo yung difference ng center side, ha? Trish, pakita mo. Center, side. Center, side. Yan. Side pa, Trish. Ready? Everybody, shout, then speed. Ready? Go, start. Yan, good. Very good. Go start na, Josh. Go, Bianx. Side pa, Bianx. Yan. Good, good, good. Nice. Yan. Higher, Rod. Higher, higher. Knee raise. Yan. Tasan mo pa. Good. Good, good. Go, go, go. Tuloy, tuloy. Sige, hoy, Trish, ang pangit na ng form mo. Yung katawan mo, tumatabingi na din. Hips lang, hips lang. Tingnan mo sila. Hips lang, hips lang. Yan, go, Bianx, go, Bianx. Alright, time. Relax. Shake, shake, shake. This time, out, in, out, in, out. Motion. Bianx, show it, Bianx. Out, in, out. No, no, alternate. Alternate mo na. Yung isang paa, then kabila. Out, in, out. Then yung in, out mo, balik mo yan. Yan, ganyan. Ready? Tuloy-tuloy walang cut. Ready? Go, start. Yan, higher, higher. Bilog yun talaga. Go, bilog. Very good, Josh. Yan, ganyan, no? Good, Trish. Yan, very good, Bianx. Very good. Yan, sige, Rod. Yan, nice one, Rod. Yan, bilog. Sige, galawin niyo yung hita niya. Yan, very good, very good. Sige. Go, 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 go. Continuous. Ah, good, good job, good job. Sige, tuloy-tuloy. Yan, good. Yan, nice, nice. Sige, tuloy-tuloy. Sige, bilog niyo yung hips niyo. Kahit pagod na, dapat mataas pa din yung tuhod. Yan, kasi pag sa laro, kahit pagod na, masisipa niyo pa din. Yan, go, Rod. Taas, Rod. Naninigas na. Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher. Patigas na yung hips. Yeah. Time. Okay, relax. Oh, lakad-lakad, guys. Walang upo, ha. Josh, time. Time, Josh. Josh. Ah. Oh, hinga, hinga, hinga. Drink water. Very good. Yan, good job. Very good. Diba? Kaya nyo naman pala bigay yung todo eh. This time, Trish, dahil ikaw, hindi ka na makaka-training bukas, dun ka sa may target. Kayo lahat, kayong tatlo, sipa sa hangin lang. Stretch kick. Ikaw, Trish, axe kick. Axe kick dyan sa punching bag. Kasi bukas pa sila magkikicking set. Ano lang to ngayon? Strengthening. O, kayo, di ba, high knees? This time, gagawin nyo stretch kick. Tuloy-tuloy, stretch kick. Trish, ikaw, axe kick. Ready, everybody. Position. Bianx, stretch kick continues. Taas mo yung camera mo so I can see if it's low ng kick mo or high yung kick. Ready? Ready? Go, start! And continuous. Yan, sige. Relax lang yung tapon pero mabilis at hindi matigas. Yan, stretch kick lang, Rod. Stretch kick. Yan. Lambot-lambot. Yan, ganyan kay Josh, oh. Tingnan nyo kung gano'ng ka-smooth yung kay Joshua. Yan, very good. Trish, axe kick. Sipain mo yan. Sipain mo, axe kick, continuous. Go. Yan. Sige, gitna yung axe kick. Huwag mo masyado ilayo sa bag mo. Yan. Sige, go, kick. Yan. Tuloy-tuloy, Bianx, continue. O, di ba? Ang baba, Bianx. Parang unano yung kalaban mo, Bianx. Kick higher. Head level yan eh. Stretch kick yan eh. Go. Higher, Rod. Naninigas na yung upper body mo. Go. Time. Okay, rest. Trish, ginagawa mo dyan. Ready, this time, out in. Lahat out in. Out in lahat. Out in. Ready. Trish, go over sa punching bag, yung out in mo. Padaanin mo dyan sa gitna. Yan, ganyan. Ready. Bianx, properly. Hindi unalo yung kalaban mo. Yes, both leg. Ready. Alternate. Go, start. Go, bilog. Good job, bilog. Go, bilog. Go. Shout. Go. Yan. Higher rod. Taas mo yung tuhod mo pag out in. Yan, para masanay. Sige, taas tuhod. Kick as high as you can. Go. Go, Trish. Sige, go over. Kailan yan, huwag ka ma-frustrate dyan. Kabilang pa naman. Alternate kasi. Yan. Go. Wala pa. May 10 seconds pa. Push. Okay, time. Hinga. Last 2 kicks. Pag maayos, finish. Pagka lampa-lampa yung sipa nyo, ulitin natin yan. This time, in-out kick. Ready? Shout. Alam ko kung gaano kapagod yan. Tiisin nyo lang. Ready? In-out. Taas yung tuhod. Ready? Ready? Go. Start. Go. In-out. Sige, bilog yung paa. Galing sa gitna. Taas. Yan. Go. Go. Shout. Mahaba pa yung oras. Go. Shout. Sige, Trish. Dahil mo sa gitna, Trish. Huwag ka titigil. Kapag ka sumabit, kabila naman. Go. Go. Hoy, kayong tatlo. Anong ginagawa nyo? Taas yung tuhod. Taas tuhod, Rod. Ang ikli ng tuhod mo, Rod. Dapat na-extend mo yan. Pag ganun, pabilog. Go. Sige, straight yung tuhod, Rodter. Straight tuhod, Rod. Taas. Hey. Tuloy. Bianx, come on. Nyo ata ulitin yan sa pinaka-umpisa. Head level yan, di ba? In-out yan eh. Head level yan eh. Go. Time. Okay, hinga. Lakad. Last one. Push. Shout. Pagpagod na. This time, 45. 45 kick na lang yan. Gusto ko, tingin. Gusto ko pag bitaw nyo, nakaganyan, no? Nakataas yung tuhod bago nyo i-extend. Taas yung tuhod bago extend. Ready? Kung paano ko tinuro sa inyo sa gym. Kayong tatlo, yung 45. Ganun nyo ibitaw dyan. Bianx, knee up, then bitaw. Ready? Go. Start. tuloy. Power. Go. Tuloy-tuloy, Trisha. Hoy, walang slide back. Tuloy-tuloy, Trisha. Tuloy-tuloy. Go. Yan. Go. Power, Trish. Kayo dyan. Taas muna yung tuhod. Wala gaanong nakatwist. Yan. Go. Very good, Rodter. Go, Bianx. Twist your knee, Bianx. Sige, oy. Trish, papaulitin kita dyan, Trish. Taas, Trish. Taas. In step yung patamain. Uy, walang titigil. I said walang titigil. Tuloy. Pag may tumigil sa inyo, dadagdagan ko yung time. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Last one na yan. Go, Trish. Ayusin mo yan. Go. Push. Last 20 seconds. Go. Rod, bumababa. Taas, Rod. Go, very good, Bianx. Nice one, Bianx. Go, Trish. Lakad dyan tumigil si Trisha. Dadagdagan ko to. Go, Trish. Hoy. Balik, Trisha. Balik. Go. Balik. Time. Trish, last 10 seconds. Trisha, last 10 seconds. Go. Power. Di ko naririnig. Time. Okay, lakad. Very good. Good job. Kaya nyo naman pala di ba? Lakad. Inhale, exhale. Then, open legs. Everybody, open legs. Everybody down, open legs. Massage your legs. Pagod? Okay lang yan. Ganyan talaga yung training. Pangit mag-training nang walang hirap. Magdilim na dito sa parking. Massage your legs. Pagod? Hindi lang yan. Ganyan talaga yung training. Kaya nyo naman pala ibuhos Wala nagtitipid sa training. Kasi pa nagtitipid kayo sa training, tipid din kayo sa laro. Maniwala kayo. Okay. Side split. Face to your left. Go. Set. Let. Das. Use. Elgop. Idol. Hop yol. Forehead to your knee down. Bianx. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then heads down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, center split. Walang uupo muna. Elbows down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bianx, elbows down muna. Walang nakaupo. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, sit down. Massage your legs. Okay, shake. Adjust mo yung camera mo, Bianx. You can see you. Tilt mo lang na konti. Yan. Good. Yan. Massage. Relax while listening. Tomorrow, same time. Or maybe, Bianx, same time. Or start tayo ng adjust ng onte. Para kung may mga lakad. Same time. Trish, after surgery ng ipin mo, manood ka lang. You can just watch the training para hindi ka na-left out sa terms. Para alam mo pa din yung ginagawa. Okay? Pero hindi ka pwede gumalaw kasi magsi-surgery ng ipin mo. Yang, same time. Okay? Abangan nyo yung link ko. Gantong oras, walang malilate, everybody. Okay? Relax yung, shake yung legs nyo. Asahan nyo sore yung legs nyo niyan. Don't worry, tomorrow will be light training lang. More on kickings lang. Pero light lang. Hindi na ganyan. Technical lang. Saturday, strength and conditioning. Then Sunday, technical. Okay? Then mobility lang. Slowly close your legs. Ganyan talaga, pagod. Pero tingnan nyo, binigay nyo yung best nyo. O, after nyan, rest na. Ang haba ng rest. Di ba? Ganyan dapat lagi. Josh, hydrate ha. Recover, Josh. Galing sa sakit, ha? Eat, recover, then rest. Hydrate. Same with you, Rodder, dyan. Yung weather natin dyan sa Legazpi. Ulan, init. Kaya, drink water, hydrate, then eat, rest. Okay? Everybody, up. Chariot. Same time tomorrow, Biang. Chariot, Kimre. Okay, harap sa camera. Picture tayo. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, tita. Happy New Year. Good job. Bye-bye.
Bye.